Hi, in this tutorial, we will be talking about the Microsoft Excel's pivot function or pivot feature, which is a data analysis tool, and it allows you to summarize the data in a beautiful manner. So when you are having large amount of data, for example, tens of thousands of rows in your Excel file, and you want to make a summary out of that and analyze the data of that. So for that, you have to use this pivot table, and once you will use that, you will understand that how powerful that feature is. So to start with, you have to just create a new worksheet. You can call it pivot just to make it easier to recognize. And once you're done with that, you just have to go to insert, and then you have to go to pivot table, and then you have to select the table. So here we can select this sheet 1, and then existing is already here because we had the cursor over here. So this is already selected, and you can just click on OK. So it is saying data source reference is not valid. So for that, you can just go to your sheet, and you can just select this entire region, and then you can just click on OK. And once you're done with that, it will just show you that blank pivot table, which is having four field names. So as you can see over here, we are having 4 columns, so 4 field names, and then you can pick the ones which you want in the pivot table. So in this case, we want category first, and we want to summarize the data as per the category, and then we want to know the prices of all of them. So category wise pricing will be here, and once you're done with that, you can also have another calculation. For example, the average of each of the categories. So you can just double click on this, and then you can select average, and now we will be having averages of the categories as well. And yeah, we have the calculation. So this is the sum of prices of each of the category, and then the grand total is here, as well as we are having the average of each of the category, and we are having grand total, which is the average of overall categories, which is 75/30. So this is how you create a very basic pivot table. You can also have the items listed. So now each category is basically divided into the elements which it had, or the items which it had, and you can expand it or you can collapse it as per the requirement. So this is how you create the pivot table in Microsoft Excel.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.